So this is my idea behind the design. So I'll keep the logo here. As you can see, this will be the position for logo, and on the all sides of the design I'll keep the leaves so that it represents the foodie part of the design. And here will be the main text, and after that there will be the subtext, which is going to be in the cursive font. And this is going to be the icon, which is like the location pin, if you have seen some location type icon. And here in the center, as if you have seen the location icon, there is a circle in the middle, and that location would be the image. And image is of course going to be the circular one. And then we have our call icon, the phone number icon. And after that, here I'll put the website icon, and then of course website and phone number here, and then the address, so that it points out the address here. And yeah, that would be our design. So here we have all our elements which I'll be using in the design. And this is the logo, and this is the text, this is the main text, and this will be the image, the main image of the design. And these are the icons which I'll use to highlight the information of restaurant, like the phone number and website. And last but not least, these are the elements which I'll use to enhance my design to make it more like the restaurant one. First of all, I'll keep the logo in the center. Let's just adjust it. And after that, we have our main text, elevating flavor. And for this one, I'll use a font Elinor, which is ALINORE. And for the font, I'll use size like around 90 maybe. Yeah, 90 would be okay. So it would be better and more easy to understand. And after that, we have our another text, which is redefining elegance, and I'll use a cursive font for this one. And there we go. I'll adjust the size, and I think 90 would be better for this one as well. Now we have this black background for the texture, and let's just adjust the size according to our poster. There we go. Now let's apply a blend mode to this texture and difference. Yeah, there we go. And let's just apply another background at the back of texture so that it is visible. Okay, now it is perfect. Let's just adjust the appearance. So maybe we can reduce the opacity so that the text is more clear. And again, we can go to the appearance like that, and let's just reduce the opacity to like 35%. Okay, I think 35% would be better, I guess. Now we have our image for the restaurant poster. That would be of course a food one. And then we can apply the leaves to enhance our design, so it is more like the food related. And we can apply our icons to the bottom to highlight the information of restaurant, like phone number and website. And let's just adjust the size and everything. Okay, now we can apply a location icon, as that was my idea, so that it is completely circular around the food. And we have a pin to the bottom like here, and we can apply the location address and everything to the pin of location icon. So let's just create a square in the middle one. in the center of like the image, the food image. As you can see here, we can create a square by pressing M and holding the Alt button. Let's rotate it and selecting three dots, we can drag, and there we have the location icon. But we have to apply the circle in the middle of this icon. Like we can select the image and the icon. Okay, now we have the circle. By using shape builder tool, we can remove the center part so that it is more like the location icon, as you can see. Now let's just apply effect, like the something to make it more better. We can apply the inner glow effect like that. You can also copy these settings if you are trying to make something like that only, and we can go with these settings. Okay, now I think it is good, like you can see. Now let's just create a background in the bottom, like to highlight the text and everything, like that. And maybe we can give it a shape of the pin of icon, like if you can see the bottom of the edge, so that it is more like connected and everything is more appealing. We can use shape builder tool to give it a cut like that. And let's just select these dots to make a curve, and we can remove the extra part. Let's adjust the size, and there we go. But if you can see, there's a lot of space in the bottom, so we can adjust it by selecting everything. Yeah, and let's just adjust the size, and there we go. We have our complete design. I hope you all like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos.